Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. There you go. Come this way. There you go. Yeah, keep going. Look at that mean truck. Oh, you're so fast, huh? Keep your foot down on the pedal. You having fun? Yeah? You having fun? You gonna try to run Dada over? Hey, no running me over, buddy. You having fun? Look at that, dude. Yeah. Good job, buddy. You're doing so good. You learning how to drive? Watch out for the curb. Can you push your horn? Push your buttons on your steering wheel. Yeah. Go that way, buddy. I'll follow you. Keep going. Checking out your cages. Getting that radio set. Yeah, huh? Oh, you turned off all the sound. Oh, you turned it off. Yeah, you're leaving the house. Where are you gonna drive? You driving to Utah? You gonna go see your Nana and Papa? Yeah? All right, I'll see you later. Follow you. Yeah, it's too long, huh? Turn that wheel. Don't hit the curb. Turn the wheel, buddy. Oh, you hit the curb. Your first accident. Didn't take long. You must be like your mama. There you go. Pull yourself out of it. Remember the Stacy rule. Don't tell Dada. That's a cool truck, buddy. I think Dada needs to go get a truck now. Huh? You having fun?
It'll take a long time to see. I'm gonna catch you on
Yeah, hold on. We gotta look for cars. Stop. Good job, buddy. Look both ways for cars. Okay, we're good. Come this way. Let's go take it off-roading. Let's see how it performs. Follow me, buddy. Follow me. You gotta be really careful. Come up here. See if you can drive it up here. Come this way. See the sidewalk? There you go. Keep going. Oh, good job. Watch out for that. No. Whoa. You gotta back up a little. Here. Let's back you up a little. Okay. You gotta dodge it. Turn right. Now push the gas pedal. There you go. Keep coming. Go this way. Stay on the sidewalk. Stay on the sidewalk, buddy. Keep going. It's okay. Yeah. Let's go over here. Right here, buddy. Come in here. Turn in there. Yeah. We'll make it. Oh, you're spinning out. Oh, no. Okay, hold on. Dada, give you a push. There you go. Yeah. Go ahead, buddy. You on the grass? Yeah, you on the grass? Do some off-roading. Good job, buddy. Watch out for the bush. Yeah, you can't go through. Stop. Stop, Benson. Stop. You can't hit bushes, buddy.
Why?
Why? Because bushes, look, you'll break them. Push down on the gas. Push on the gas. Push it. Keep pushing down. Push on the gas. Push on the gas, buddy. Push on the gas. There you go. Keep pushing on the gas. All right. Stop. Hold on. Look. Now we'll go forward. Look. See this little gear thing in here? You pull this up. Pull it up. Now you go forward. See? Watch out for the bush. Stay on the sidewalk. Stay on the stop. Stop. Buddy. Oh. Okay, hold on. Stop. Stop, Benson. Benson, stop. Stop. Okay. All right, we're done for the day, buddy.